Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to reset MPIN for Kotak 811 application if you don't remember it. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Kotak 811 application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, it is asking me to enter MPIN, but if you don't remember your MPIN, no need to worry because we do get forgot MPIN option over here. Just simply select that and go ahead. Now on the next page, it will ask you to enter date of birth, PAN details and mother's maiden name. Once you enter these details, you can just simply select proceed to reset MPIN option. Now there is one more thing down here. You can see if you don't remember these details, you can use your debit card to reset MPIN. So if you don't know these details, just simply use your debit card. Now you can see I have entered all the details. Let's select proceed to reset MPIN option. Now on this particular page, you need to enter new MPIN and you have to keep one thing in mind that the MPIN you are creating, in that there should be no sequence and no repeat numbers. So I have entered the new MPIN. Let's select confirm MPIN option and now it will take you to the next page. Again, you have to re-enter the new PIN. So as soon as you enter new PIN, you can see MPIN set successfully. It will take you back to the login page. You can just simply enter your new MPIN and complete the login process. So now I have entered the new MPIN and this is how I have easily logged into my account. So this is how simple it is to reset MPIN in Kotak 811 application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.